Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use a Discover card for online shopping. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To use a Discover card for online shopping, start by selecting the items you wish to purchase. Add those items to your shopping cart. Once you're ready to check out, locate the shopping cart icon on the website. Click on the shopping cart icon to view your selected items. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Look for the Checkout button, often labeled Checkout or Proceed to Checkout. Click on the Checkout button to begin the payment process. You will be prompted to enter your shipping information if needed. Fill in your name, address, and any other required details. After entering your shipping information, proceed to the payment section. In the payment method options, select Credit Card. Enter your Discover card's number in the designated field. Next, provide the card's expiration date. Then, input the 3-digit security code found on the back of your Discover card. If prompted, enter your billing address that matches the one on your Discover card. Before finalizing the purchase, review all entered information for accuracy. Once verified, confirm your order by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Submit Order or Complete Purchase. You may receive a confirmation page indicating your order was successful. Check your email for a confirmation message regarding your order. Ensure your order confirmation contains accurate details about your purchase. If any issues arise, refer to the customer service of the retailer for assistance. Using your Discover card for online shopping is now complete. Enjoy your shopping experience with the added benefits and security of your Discover card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.